Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Azmir Haikal bin Norazmi, and I am from BA 114 5D, an investment analyst student from UiTM Dungun, Terengganu. Alright, now I will explain to you how to invest in bond and how the process of investing in bond. First thing first, you must know in Malaysia they have two markets, which is the primary market and the secondary market. Will I explain briefly next, which is the first one. One is the primary market. Primary market is mostly, and as investor can purchase bond directly from the issuer. And then for the corporate debt in the primary market, usually banks normally act as a facility agent for the company. For the government bond in the primary market will be issued by the bank negara through the principal dealer network. You must know in primary market, investor can only purchase the government bond only from the principal dealer. So what is principal dealer? So as you know, what is a principal dealer? A dealer acts as a principal in trading for its own account, right? As opposed to a broker who acts as an agent who execute order on behalf of its client. So in Malaysia we have a lot of principal dealer such as Maybank, Whole Loan Bank, RHB Bank, and a lot more. So next is secondary market. Secondary market is the financial market for trading of bond that have already been issued in the primary market. You know, secondary market is for the retail investor may buy or sell both of the government and the corporate bond from any banks or financial dealer. So in the secondary market, you can buy and sell the bond, and the primary market, you only can buy the bond. That's all. Next is the process of investing in bond. First thing first, you must consider your financial goal, because bond is a long-term investment. It takes 5 to 10 years to complete your investment, so think wisely. After that, number 2 is set up your brokerage account. You can set up a brokerage account such as Whole Loan Bank, Maybank, or other broker that related to buying and selling bond. Next, number 3 is check the bond rating. Check the bond rating whether the bond is good or not. Such as types of rating such as AA bond, BB bond, and others of rating. Lastly, place your order. That's all for me. Thank you.